You got one on. Little small guy. Still no skunk. So maybe a lander. Come on. Huh? Nah. Just a small little guy. Yeah, I'll get it.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, we're all good. Just having fun. Whee, thank you. Right, all right.
Bravo, bravo.
I did it!
Good one,
Go ahead.
No, I was just checking yours out. But keeper. Oh shit.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, I am.
Alright, we're doing all catch and release today, so let's get this little guy unpinned. Back in the water. Alright. Pliers. Here we go. Oh, that didn't come out easy yet. Pretty little fish. Let's get him back. Oh, crud. Come on, little buddy. Oh, he dead. He ain't making it. I'll take him home. So be it. Woo! There we go. There we go.
Got it?
Yeah. Good luck. Nice fish. Alright. Another nice one. Perfect. Let's see if he bleeding. He bleeding good. Guess we're keeping him too. All right. All right. Number 2. That's a better fish. There we go. There we go.
Nice.
Right? Nice fish.
Yeah, you guessed strong. No doubt about it.
Nice fish. Another one. Alright, let's get this one unpinned. Go. Any blood? No blood on this one. Alright, cool. We can let this one go. Alright, there we go. Sweet, that one's catch and release perfect. Later. You. No worries, we're good. But thank you, I'm just trying to keep him out of your line. Small guy is like, it's like catching a sardine, I think. Which takes a lot more talent, I might add. Go.
Well, that's not a bad one.
Not bad. See if we can get that hook out of him with no blood, no pain. Beautiful. Beautiful little fish. All right, let's see where this hook's at. This one's too deep. Oh, I think he swallowed it. Maybe. I might be able to get this one out. Let's see here. Oh, no. Yeah, maybe. Hold on, little bud. I can get you out if you just relax. There we go. There we go. Let's get this little dude back in the water. Twig out of there. There you go. Alright, there you go. There we go. Gone. All right. Release number 2. Sweet. Get some more. Oh boy. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's what we're looking for. That's a good fish right there. Nice. Ew. Get over here. Go. There's a goodie. There we go.
Good size.
That's the one. You. That's the one. That is the one right there. Ah, we're good. We should be able to get this one out and get it back in the water. All right. Beautiful fish, oh my gosh. Beautiful fish. All right. See him next to the rest of them. He's definitely the biggest one. Let's get him backing on his way. Come on. Guess we're getting wet today. All right, he doesn't want to go. There we go. Got one on. Go with a small one. No blood, this one's going back. All right. Let's see if we can get him to swim. Oh yeah, he's good. There you go. And he's gone. Nope. Oh, yep. There we go. Fought for a second. Now he's coming straight in. Right, all right, all right. All right, we're in a good spot again with you. Calm down, calm down. Calm down. I see it. There we go. All right. Beautiful little fish. Let's get him revived and back in. You want to go? Come on. You had it. You had it. There you go.
Swam my way.
Got it? You got it. You got it.
Nice, double.
We got a double. I got a sardine.
Yeah? You should see these bass that come up and grab it if you really didn't
That's
throw
Randy,
it.
brother. Oh no, he swam this way. This way, now under you. Under you, right?
It comes off. I'm not worried about it.
You want me to net him?
Let me know later.
Nah, it's fine. Go ahead and reel in.
Oh, you got a nice one. You catch that one?
Nope, it swam into the net.
No. Good lord. Okay, fat meat greasy, supposed Catholic, and you better get in the wood. Alright.
I think you got them all.
That was close to it anyway, yeah? Here, bring him up here, I'll grab him.
Yeah, it's just.
I'm just trying to. No, it's fine.
So I can get the hook out.
No, it's fine.
Watch it. It's away.
Oh, you bled him.
No, no.
There we go. There's one. Small one, it feels like. Good way out there, though, that's for sure. There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice fish. All right, let's get him unpinned.
Tom, help put the net. Oh, wait. No, he's got it.
Nice little fish. Give him out.
Biggest one today.
Here we go. With that power worm, you gotta put a floating head on it though, it sinks. There we go. There we go. There we go. A little fish. Little minnow. Little minnow. Let's get him off. He's stuck right there perfectly. Just hang tight, little buddy. Hang tight. You're right there. Oh. There you go. You're 12. Beautiful. Alright, let's get this hook out. This little guy. No, calm down, calm down, calm down. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get it out. There we go. All right. All right, little buddy. Go, go, go. All right. Get back here. Get back here. There you go. Get off. Sweet. There we go. There we go. Got one on. Smaller one. There we go. Okay. Nah. No.
By the size of it was a hook jaw.
It's pretty though.
Yeah, really
Super pretty with nice dark spots. Very pretty fish.
I've got one of those at the house and I have yet to use it.
No, it's fine.
You got it?
It's all good. We got it. We got it. It's just a trout. It's
I'm
just
learning
a
how to use
trout.
these things because I just got a kit that came with the pliers, the everything,
Right.
and that was in the thing. I've yet to use it yet.
Want me to take a picture for you?
Nah, we're good.